The Parish Hall of St. Clement's wanted to decarbonise their parish hall, so they contacted us and we worked on this project for over 4 years.
The parish has always been quite green awareness and wanting to reduce their carbon emissions and supporting green projects, throughout the parish. It was really a no-brainer for them, and just having the patience to walk the parish through that, it's really great to see the project now coming to an end.
We've installed a solar PV array, as you can see behind me. We did a fuel switch, so we've removed the old oil boiler and replaced it with heat pumps, and we installed EV chargers at the back there in the main parking.
We now have what is being considered an all-electric parish here. A 50 kilowatt charger is a great addition to the Evolve network. We want to ensure that whilst this obviously benefits EV drivers and EV owners, it may also act as a catalyst for local residents or people driving by to gain confidence and make the jump themselves.
They're very happy with how it's come together. It's right for the parish. It's also right for sending a message. When you're expecting the rest of the parish to go green, it's a little bit of a hard sell if you're not taking the initiative yourself. And I've personally seen an increase in uptake of people wanting to fuel switch from fossil fuels to more energy conscious solutions. The big saving for them is the financial side, which they'll benefit year after year, and also reduce the carbon emissions at the same time. I think these type of initiatives just highlight to other businesses that they need to take the bull by the horns and make these changes for the betterment of the island, for the generations to come. If we're going to have a nice green island for people to live on, it's not about us, it's about the next generation and the generation thereafter.